Okay, this is we're going to weld this up here. Now what happened, this cylinder was repaired by the factory, and whoever did this, they used wire welder. There's about 3 passes on there. The problem is it leaked. Had a little pinhole leak in it. That's why I don't like using wire. I like to use 7018. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run 7018. I'm using a Miller 350 inverter type welder. Okay, and it puts out a real smooth bead because of the inverter setup. But I set this thing up. You can see I got it up in there, so I can just run flat past. I want to put out four overlays over it. Now I already did one, and when I did it, that portion where the leak was coming out, it was right in here, it started to burn all the oil out of it. So we're going to put about 3 more passes on this thing. But I just want to show you, I'll show you a little bit of the welding. You know, that's why I don't like using wire when there's oil involved. It just never seems to, they always seem to leak. I've had that experience with me. So you always want to use 7018. I'm using 7018 1/8. And that's the reason why you want to learn how to weld. And anybody can wire weld. You need to learn how to stick weld first. Sometimes you have to do that. And if you can't, a lot of guys can't stick weld. They can run these wire welds, but they can't stick weld worth a damn. So let me just do a little bit. What I'm going to do is I run the passes. It's down here. I got it held up with the forklift, and I got a scaler and a chipper here. I just want to kind of give you an idea how this is done. I'm going to lay this thing over, and we're gonna put several passes. This takes about three runs on a stick here. So okay, watch this. I'll just do one stick here. You don't need to see me do all of it. It's going to take probably 30 or 40 minutes. I'm going to do this 3 or 4 times. You want to have safety glasses on when you're doing this. We're just going to burn that out. I'm coming to that area where the pinhole was. Slow it up a little bit. I don't weld every day, but I got certified with 7018 when I was 18 years old. So I'm not scared to pick it up. And might be a little rusty, but I can't see as good. I can still lay it down. Okay, so there it is basically. I'll chip this off and then we'll start again. Just gotta get this laid up. I'm gonna come up here and get one more time. I don't ever want this leaking again on their machine because it's not that easy. But I'm gonna go around 3 or 4 times, wash that out, build it up, and make sure that we solve that problem. So the tip is you want to use 7018 when you're doing these repairs on hydraulics. Stand by.